Hey guys, this is Sinatemba Bloss. Today I'm showing you how to use cruise control. This is Scania G460. This is your cruise control button. My truck is on neutral. Yes. This is minus, this is plus. So when you press it up like this, your rev count also goes up. Yes. So now I'm pressing it down like this, my rev counter also goes down because I'm on neutral. You cannot start driving with cruise control. You see like this. If you press it up like this, you're increasing your speed. If you press it down like this, you're decreasing your speed. So now I'm on gear number 1. Yeah, you see I'm pressing it up like this. It is going nowhere because you cannot start driving with cruise control. What you must do, you must use your accelerator at least to gain some speed. You see, now I'm driving using my accelerator. You see, my speed is on 15 kilometers per hour. Now let's 16 kilometers per hour. Let us try cruise control now. You see, and we came back now. Yes, now it's picking up. You see here. Increase the speed. Yes, 28 now. This is the cruise control. Two, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. And remember, I didn't touch my foot pedals. I'm using cruise control. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So now it's 50, which means it's gonna pick up until it reaches 50. Now we're on 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. It's 71, 72. You see the other one is this button. Also you use it to decrease your speed when you're going down. You see. Now I'm braking now. This is how cruise control works. Don't be confused if you see my rev counter on 5. It's how it saved the diesel. Right now it's on 60. My cruise control is on 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Now it's on 80. So I cannot go beyond 80. I hope you got the clue how cruise control works. Now I'm decreasing the speed. 77, 76, 75. By using minus. When I was increasing the speed, I was using plus. When I'm decreasing the speed, I was using minus. Alright, sharp guys, enjoy.